guys want to put this down?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Try to swing it.
Bueno. Va bene, Jojo.
Tutto bene.
Tutto bene?
But doing that made me feel like maybe I can't handle moguls at all.
What's that, lady?
Doing that run made me realize I probably can't handle moguls at all.
Oh, yes, you can.
There were several things going on there, though. That was the first run of the day. It's powdery and it's catchy. You know, it's very, you know, if your board catches any of that snow, it's hard.
Yeah.
And
you're bouncing. You're
Yeah.
like, there's more.
so if you throw a mogul at that,
Yeah.
you know, you need a little bit
And
more
the
time.
moguls
So-
aren't well formed, so you don't know exactly where you're turning. And,
Yeah,
But
good point.
it's a good way to start, man.
We're gonna do that one again? Or
Uh,
do you want to do something different?
we're going to go to the next one over at
Okay.
Windsong.
Okay.
And Windsong comes, I think, this is Windsong comes down here.
Okay.
Right? I think. It whips around. I'm going to take the lift line down.
Okay.
So I'm going to come.
Okay, so then we know to just kind of follow this. As
Yeah.
long as we're close to this, we're good.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to come, no matter what, you're going down to Timberline. We're going to
Okay.
meet at the base.
Okay, sounds good.
It's going to snow like this all day.
Okay.
Not real bad.
It's nice.
Visibility's good.
Yeah.
It's all good. Whoa, down he goes. That's how you do it.
I know, that look like you know what they're doing. It's kind of just like hopping back
Yeah,
and
it's
forth.
just kind of bouncing and just following the turns, you know.
Yeah.
You just get into that groove, that rhythm. I'd like to go.
What happens if you don't have any rhythm?
Yeah, make something up, Joe.
I guess there is a pretty good path. You
Yeah.
know? If you just stay in the...
It's not too steep. So, I'm sure you could get
Just
down.
tight turns.
And when you get stuck, you can just slide down them.
Yeah.
I mean, I've more than, you know, once I've gotten myself to a spot where I don't, not comfortable, right?
Yeah.
So I just slide down until I find.
How do you slide? You use
Just
pizza?
like, you know, side slides.
Okay.
Just slide down to the back side of the mogul.
Yeah, okay.
Try and find a spot where I'm comfortable, and then I go. Perfecto, right? So we're going to come right off the lift. We'll go left, come down. This is Windsong goes that way, and then I'll just
Okay.
take the tree line. Meet you at the bottom.
Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, like a little bit further. There we go.